morning to all of you. Thanks for joining in to the webinar on this lovely Sunday morning. I'm sure everyone notices that the weather, the climate, the pollution has been better since our childhood. There were reports being published that the pollution is actually at a 20 years low. And I'm sure the kind of city that we see today or the environment that we see today is something which is unprecedented. And it is very similar to the kind of unprecedented situations that we face around us, whether it is the economy, whether it is the stock markets. I'm sure a lot of us, if not all of us, are seeing things like this for the first time in their lives. Okay. But I'm sure things will improve very soon. We shall very soon be back to our regular routines. We should be able to overcome the crisis that we all are facing today. Okay, I would like to call these times as I told you, unprecedented and also extraordinary. The reason why I will call them extraordinary is two primary reasons. Number one is that they, of course, occur once in a lifetime. I'm sure no one has seen any situation like this before in their lifetime. Most of us, in fact. The second is they also come with a huge opportunity, okay, for all the people to create very or a long-term wealth, okay, by investing into fundamentally sound stocks, by having portfolios which are fundamentally quality-based, fundamentally sound, have a potential to perform over a longer period of time. Okay, and hence I would like to call them extraordinary times and unprecedented times from all perspectives. So let's look at the brighter side of life, not only the negative side. We've noticed that we've not been able to go out for the last about 30-35 days. And this might end up continuing for some time. But as we all notice, the markets today are giving us enough and more opportunity, okay, to create wealth over a period of time. So with that, I will have a talk on the subject of intelligent advisory portfolios for next about 20 minutes or so, because I want to leave enough and more time for Q&A so that I can address your queries. I can go in detail about the things that you would want to know after the discussion that we would have had from my side. So let me start by telling you that Motilal Oswal is very proud to present to you intelligent advisory portfolios. It's the first time in the industry that portfolios like this have been offered. During the course of my presentation, I will take you through the reasons why I'm saying why this is first time in the industry. Just to start with, so what are we supposed to do in these unprecedented times? Number one, as I told you, quality will matter more than ever. Stocks which are of good quality, have a very sound business model, and a long runway in front of them will succeed more than ever. Second, and in fact, I feel the most important thing, portfolios. So the definition of long-term itself will change. Portfolios, action on the portfolios will become even more critical. So, and hence maneuverability, which is your ability to move across market situations, will become very important. So quality आपके portfolio के लिए बहुत important हो जाएगी. कितनी जल्दी आप action लेते हैं और आप कितनी जल्दी अपना portfolio realign करते हैं basis the changing times, वो आपके लिए बहुत important हो जाएगा. Although both of these things will have to be done in a manner which is formed via a process. Okay, which I told you in the third point, which I'm telling you in the third point, is processes will be important. But as I mentioned earlier, and I'm repeating the same thing now, that we cannot in these times stay with static processes. We'll have to ensure there is a defined process that we have, and that process itself goes through regular upgradation when and how required. Okay. The last and बहुत important information है कि अभी recent जो fall हुआ है, we've noticed that almost every stock has fallen anywhere starting from 15 to 20 to about 40 to 50%. So suddenly क्या हुआ है कि हर stock में investing की opportunity दिखने लग गई है. But that is where we have to be very critical of what we choose, because everything will not rise back with time. The first point here is very critical. The quality stocks will rise back. So just to summarize this slide, हमारे सामने एक बहुत बड़ी opportunity खड़ी है. We have a huge opportunity to make money in the times to come. But what is important is that we choose stocks which are quality. We are very swift in taking actions whenever something does not go our way. We have to ensure there is a defined process that we follow for investing. And at regular intervals, even this process is upgraded. Last, हमको पता होना चाहिए कि कहाँ पे इन्वेस्ट करने के बाद हमारा पैसा बनेगा. बिकॉज अभी हर चीज जो 50-60% डाउन है वो अपॉर्चुनिटी दिखाती है, बट उसमें से कितने ऐसे स्टॉक्स हैं जो रियली बाउंस बैक करेंगे इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, सो now for people who have other things to do and investing is one of the things that they do, this on daily basis becomes very difficult. Okay. And hence, as I told you, we are very proud to tell you that the first time in the industry we are bringing out portfolios, okay, which can go through all the things that I just spoke about. And what are they? They are called as IAP, which is Intelligent Advisory Portfolios. Now, let me very quickly explain to you what is IAP. Now, for you to think of it, I'll give you an example. Assume that Arun Chaudhary is a client who comes to the financial services organization and says, boss, I want to invest 10 lakh rupees. But I want to have control on what I invest. I don't want to invest in everything. There might be things that I don't want to invest in. That is number one. Number two, although I have 10 lakh rupees, I want that my portfolio should be unique to me. मेरे लिए पोर्टफोलियो बनाइए आप. Third, I should be able to monitor that portfolio. I should be able to see क्या आप खरीद रहे हैं, क्या आप बेच रहे हैं, कब खरीदा, कब बेचा, कितना अभी मेरे ट्रांजैक्शंस आपने कर लिए हैं, क्या मेरा रिटर्न है. Okay, so we decided to put all of them together, and we created a portfolio called as Intelligent Advisory Portfolios. So these are robotic portfolios to a large extent. रोबोटिक होता है जब मशीन के डिफाइंड प्रोसेस से आपका पोर्टफोलियो चलता है. सो रोबोटिक पोर्टफोलियो टू अ लार्ज एक्सटेंट, जहां पे फंड मैनेजर इंडिविजुअल लिमिटेड कॉल्स लेता है, विच आर डायरेक्ट इक्विटी इन्वेस्टमेंट. एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट इज ये पोर्टफोलियो हर क्लाइंट के लिए डिफरेंट. सो पहली चीज, ये फंडामेंटल बेसिस पर पोर्टफोलियोज क्रिएट होते हैं और हम लोग टेक्निकल पैरामीटर्स यूटिलाइज करते हैं टू एंश्योर कि नंबर वन, वी आर नॉट entering a stock which is technically bearish. So fundamentally बहुत strong stock हो सकता है, but ऐसा हो सकता है कि current अगले 3-4 महीने के अंदर, 2 महीने के अंदर the stock is technically bearish and we hence don't enter that. We also use technical parameters to exit stocks. Where we notice that the technical parameters are changing drastically, we also will exit the stocks. Second, they are 100% automated. So we are not like any other advisory firm जहां मैं आपको बोलूंगा सर मैंने आपको एडवाइस दे दी है और उसको आप ले जाके एग्जीक्यूट कर लीजिए. We will give you the advice and we will execute it for you as well. That will happen only and only when you approve the execution order. चाहे मैं कुछ खरीद रहा हूं, चाहे मैं कुछ बेच रहा हूं, जब तक आप वो अप्रूव नहीं करेंगे मैं उसको एग्जीक्यूट नहीं करूंगा. Third is to ensure that we have most of our customers participate in it. The minimum investment amount on these portfolios start from 2.5 lakhs. So आप 2.5 लाख रुपए से लमसम इन्वेस्टमेंट्स कर सकते हैं और 10,000 रुपए से SIP चालू करते हैं. Last point which I wanted to mention is that we've got investment into these products in different themes, which I will just discuss with you. अलग-अलग products हैं आपकी नीड के हिसाब से. तो एक बार मैं सारा समराइज कर दूं ताकि हम लोग एक ही पेज पे रहें. एग्जाम्पल के साथ समराइज करता हूं. अरुण चौधरी 10 लाख रुपए इन्वेस्ट करना चाहते हैं, तो वो क्या करते हैं, मोतीलाल ओसवाल के एडवाइजरी पोर्टफोलियोज में 10 लाख रुपए इन्वेस्ट करते हैं. जैसे ही वो पैसा देते हैं, इंस्टेंटली उनका पोर्टफोलियो लाइव जनरेट होता है. मतलब जब वो पैसा देंगे उनका इंस्टेंटली लाइव पोर्टफोलियो जनरेट होता है. वो बोलते हैं ओके, तब ये पैसा इन्वेस्ट होता है. इसके बाद कभी भी कोई मैं चर्न करता हूं, कोई भी चीज को मैं निकालता हूं पोर्टफोलियो से, कोई नई चीज खरीदता हूं, इट विल ओनली हैपन वंस अरुण चौधरी अप्रूव्स ऑफ द सेम. So I want to summarize the unique points in the portfolios. Number one, there are unique portfolios. Every client will have a unique portfolio depending on the time of entry. Second, there are fundamental portfolios where technical parameters are utilized to ensure non-bearish technical entry or exit. 100% system driven investing with fund managers taking the call to modify the processes and also being there to ensure that system abnormalities can be controlled. Last, every call will be taken only when our clients approve the entry exit. आपके approval के बगैर मैं entry exit नहीं करूँ. Now I'm sure बहुत सारे लोगों के दिमाग में क्वेश्चन आ रहा होगा कि ये फिर म्यूचुअल फंड से पीएमएस से डिफरेंट कैसे है. So let me quickly explain. The ticket size here is 2.5 lakhs. Mutual fund start from 500 rupees. PMS start from 50 lakhs now. This is a very important point. These are 100% discretionary portfolios. Mutual funds are not discretionary. They are standard investments. PMS में discretionary option होता है, but वो चालू होता है 50 लाख रुपए से. The portfolios here, as I told you, are 100% customized. Every client theoretically will have a different portfolio. हर क्लाइंट का पोर्टफोलियो दूसरे क्लाइंट से डिफरेंट होगा. जो ऑप्शंस आपको म्यूचुअल फंड और पीएमएस में नहीं मिलता है. द पोर्टफोलियोज आर रोबो अंडरलाइंड, मोस्टली रोबो, एंड हेंस द पर्सनल बायस. फंड मैनेजर बोलता है नहीं मुझे अभी भी अच्छा लग रहा है. दैट डज नॉट हैपन. वी फॉलो अ वेरी वेरी स्ट्रिक्ट प्रोसेस हियर. And once the process says that I have to exit or enter into a stock, the system executes the same. Human bias is reduced to minimum. Last and a very important point of these portfolios, since they are robot driven, they are machine driven, the action which is taken. तो जैसे आपने देखा कि मार्च में बाजार बहुत बुरी तरह गिरा है, तो हमारे पोर्टफोलियोज में एक्शन बहुत तेज लिया गया है. मैं आपको परफॉर्मेंस भी दिखाऊंगा. Okay, that is why IAP, which is Intelligent Advisory Portfolios offered by Motilal Oswal, are very different versus mutual fund and PMS. Please ensure that you don't get my message wrong. I am not saying mutual fund investing or PMS investing is incorrect or that should not be done. I am just trying to highlight the fact of how IAP is different versus mutual fund and PMS. So these are the 5 portfolios that we offer in the IAP umbrella. Number 1 is Fundtech. I will explain all of them to you in detail. Fundtech is a 19-month oldest running portfolio with us right now. Large cap, small cap. Again, our category based. So I will invest only in large cap stocks and small cap stocks in these portfolios. Then I have Industry Champs, multi-cap portfolio with investments into different sectors, but best companies. Okay. And the last one is mid and small cap, primarily mid cap portfolios that we offer. So let me go on them one by one. First one is the Fundtech portfolio. Fundtech stands for fundamental and technical portfolio. So what are they? There are multi-cap portfolios. That means small cap, mid cap, large cap के अंदर मैं तीनों में invest करूंगा. 10 से 20 स्टॉक मैं होल्ड करूंगा depending on the investment size. So for example, जो 2.5 लाख का पोर्टफोलियो उसमें ऐसा हो सकता है कि 7 से 9 स्टॉक हो. जो 5 लाख का पोर्टफोलियो उसमें 9 से 12 स्टॉक्स हो. जो 25 लाख का पोर्टफोलियो उसमें 20 स्टॉक्स हो. हर पोर्टफोलियो में नंबर ऑफ स्टॉक्स डिफरेंट रहते हैं. हर पोर्टफोलियो इंडिविजुअली डिफरेंट रहता है. सो अ मल्टी कैप पोर्टफोलियो डिपेंडिंग ऑन द इन्वेस्टमेंट साइज विल आल्सो हैव डिफरेंट स्टॉक्स. I use fundamental parameters to create a portfolio. So fundamental parameters like stock की क्वालिटी क्या है, आज वैल्यूएशन खरीदने के लिए एक्सपेंसिव है कि चीप है, प्लस द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट इज फाइनेंशियल ट्रेंड गोइंग फॉरवर्ड. कैसा लग रहा है, इनकम्स कैसी हैं, पीएनएल्स कैसे हैं. All these things put together help me create that portfolio for you. Last, what we also ensure is किसी भी सेक्टर में 40% से ऊपर का एक्सपोजर ना जाए, and any stock in the portfolio does not come in with a weightage of more than 10%. So this is a fundamental and technical portfolio. We've been running this portfolio for the last 19 months. Okay. The next portfolio that we have is the large cap portfolio. So investment in only large cap companies. So हम लोग market capitalization के basis पे NSE की top 150 companies लेते हैं. वो हमारा universe रहता है और उसमें हम लोग portfolios create करते हैं. Promoter pledge companies हम लोग लिख लेते हैं. And the important point here is the investment philosophy in this portfolio is to ensure that we are able to generate returns for our clients over a longer period. So investment horizon in the large cap portfolio will be anywhere 3 years or more. Small cap portfolio, which is top side of your screen, is what you notice is जैसे हम लोग large cap में top 150 companies लेते हैं, small cap में हम लोग 250th in terms of market cap से 700 ही company लेते हैं. हम लोग ये रेंज में इसलिए रहते हैं ताकि हम लोग लिक्विडिटी पैरामीटर्स को कंट्रोल में रखें। जब मैं इन्वेस्ट करूं तो ऐसा ना हो कि मेरे इन्वेस्टमेंट की वजह से स्टॉक बढ़ रहा है गिर रहा है। तो स्मॉल कैप कंपनीज हैं जिनको हम लेते हैं, जिनकी प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी, वोलेटिलिटी, वैल्यूएशन बेसिस पे हम लोग पोर्टफोलियो क्रिएट करते हैं। प्लीज आप ध्यान में रखें, बिकॉज ये स्टॉक स्मॉल कैप पोर्टफोलियो, यहाँ पे वोलेटिलिटी स्टॉक में इंडिविजुअली काफी ज्यादा होती है एंड हेंस रिस्क पैरामीटर भी ज्यादा होता है। तो आपका रिटर्न कमाने का ओरिएंटेशन भी ज्यादा रहेगा और आपका रिस्क भी ज्यादा रहेगा। जो इंडस्ट्री चैंप है जो मैं आपको अब बताऊंगा, ये हमने पोर्टफोलियो अभी 7 दिन पहले ही इंट्रोड्यूस किया हुआ है। इंडस्ट्री चैंप में हम लोग क्या करते हैं, तो मल्टी कैप पोर्टफोलियो है, मतलब मल्टीपल फॉर लार्ज कैप, मिड कैप, स्मॉल कैप, और मल्टीपल सेक्टर्स में इन्वेस्टमेंट होता है। हर सेक्टर में हम लोग बेस्ट कंपनीज चूज करते हैं। सो फॉर एग्जांपल, मैं आपको एग्जांपल दे रहा हूं, थ्योरेटिकली अज्यूम करते हैं जैसे बैंकिंग में मैंने एचडीएफसी बैंक और आईसीआईसी बैंक चूज किया, हम लोग उस इंडस्ट्री के लीडर्स को चूज करेंगे और उसमें इन्वेस्ट करते हैं। Now this is comparatively a very fundamental driven portfolio, which is a top bottom up approach. We'll choose stocks and then we create the individual portfolios. Similar to industry champs, again a small and mid cap portfolio, which is again a fundamental based portfolio where investments happen primarily into mid cap but exposure into small caps also, and hence the risk parameter here is also high. तो मैंने आपको 5 पोर्टफोलियोज बताया, आपने स्क्रीन पे देख पा रहे होंगे, फंडामेंटल एंड टेक्निकल, लार्ज कैप, स्मॉल कैप एंड मिड कैप, एंड लास्ट इज इंडस्ट्री चैंप्स। ये 5 पोर्टफोलियोज हम लोग अपने कस्टमर्स को ऑफर करते हैं एस के अम्ब्रेला के अंदर, आईएपी। Over the last 19 months that we've been running these portfolios, this is the return that these portfolios have been able to generate. मैं आपको जो रिटर्न दिखा रहा हूं, इसमें से कोई भी रिटर्न बैक टेस्टेड नहीं है, ये मेरे क्लाइंट्स का लाइव रिटर्न है। अब इसमें मैंने आपको बताया ऑर्डर अप्रूवल बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, तो जितने भी क्लाइंट्स ने सारे ऑर्डर्स अप्रूव किए उनके रिटर्न्स हैं। जैसे फंटेक है जो 19 महीने सबसे पुराना चलता हुआ पोर्टफोलियो है, जहां उसका जो बेंचमार्क है विच इज बीएसई 500 28% गिर गया है। एंड मैं ये मार्च तक का आपको रिटर्न बता रहा हूं, 28% बीएसई 500 गिरा है, फंटेक सिर्फ 4% गिरा। 3 महीने में 12% का नेगेटिव है, ये 29% गिरा है। मतलब जिस आदमी ने 19 महीने से मेरे साथ इन्वेस्ट किया, मैं आपको बता दूं, ये 4% का नेगेटिव जो रिटर्न है, इसमें 2 साल भी अभी पूरे नहीं हुए हैं। 24 महीने में 2 साल पूरे होते हैं, तो 19 महीने में पोर्टफोलियो ओनली 4% डाउन, जबकि मार्केट आपका 30% करीब करीब नीचे चला गया। लार्ज कैप पोर्टफोलियोज को देखिए, जब से 9 महीने जब से लॉन्च हुए हैं, ये 10% डाउन है। इनका जो निफ्टी इंडेक्स है हमारा, वो 22% डाउन। आप यहां रिटर्न्स देख सकते हैं और ये रिटर्न्स देखिए। लास्ट है स्मॉल कैप। मैंने आपको बताया स्मॉल कैप में रिस्क ज्यादा होता है बिकॉज वोलेटिलिटी ज्यादा होती है, बट यहां पे भी जो निफ्टी की स्मॉल कैप 100 की इंडेक्स है, उससे मैं हर पीरियड में, लॉन्च से जब से मैंने चालू किया तब से अब तक, लास्ट 3 महीने में और लास्ट महीने में जब इतना बड़ा मैसेकर आया है, मैं हर जगह पे इंडेक्स को बीट करता आया हूं, हर प्रोडक्ट में। मैं आपको दोबारा बता दूं, These are live returns of my customers. इसमें एक भी बैक टेस्टेड नंबर नहीं है। जब से मोतीलाल ओसवाल ये पोर्टफोलियो चला रहा है, तब से का रिटर्न मैं आपको सामने दिखा रहा हूं। Okay, and hence there is nothing which is called as I have calculated these returns basis some back testing theory. I am showing you the live returns of my portfolios. All customers who have approved all the orders, ये उनके रिटर्न्स है सर। एवरी पीरियड, 1 महीने में, लास्ट 3 महीने में और लॉन्च से अब तक, मैं बेंचमार्क को बीट करता आया हूं सर। तो हाउ डू यू इन्वेस्ट? सो मेरे साथ जितने भी लोग जुड़े हैं, उसमें जो मेरे कस्टमर्स हैं, वो मेरा मोबाइल ऐप एमओ इन्वेस्टर ऐप अवेलेबल है सर, आपके आईओएस में और एंड्रॉइड में, दोनों में आप उनको डाउनलोड करें। वहां पे आपको मेन्यू आइटम में एडवाइजरी पोर्टफोलियोज मिलेगा, इसको क्लिक करेंगे एडवाइजरी पोर्टफोलियो, यहां से आप उसको चूज कर सकते हैं। यहां से चूज करिए। जो आज मेरे साथ मोतीलाल ओसवाल के जुड़े नहीं है, मैं उनसे रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि आप अपना अकाउंट खोल सकते हैं और आप इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं। इसमें इन्वेस्ट करने के 2 मॉडल्स हम आपको ऑफर करते हैं। पहला अपने स्क्रीन पर राइट साइड पे देख रहे होंगे, सब्सक्रिप्शन मॉडल। दूसरा है प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग मॉडल। सब्सक्रिप्शन मॉडल में हम लोग 2% आपसे फीस चार्ज करते हैं। तो मान लीजिए आप 2.5 लाख रुपए इन्वेस्ट करते हैं तो 5,000 रुपए मैं आपसे फीस चार्ज करूंगा, बाकी ब्रोकरेज होगी। प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग मॉडल में मैं आपसे कोई भी अपफ्रंट फीस नहीं चार्ज करता हूं। यहां पे अगर आप साल में मिनिमम 10% का रिटर्न कमाएंगे, उसके ऊपर का रिटर्न जितना भी होगा उससे मैं आपसे 20% चार्ज करूं। जब तक आप पैसा नहीं कमाएंगे सर, हम कुछ नहीं लेते। सो प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग का एग्जांपल देता हूं। अज्यूम करते हैं कि मेरा पूरे साल में 25% का रिटर्न बना, 10% तक मैं कुछ चार्ज नहीं करता हूं, उसके बाद जो 15% है उसमें मैं सिर्फ 20% चार्ज करता हूं। okay? तो मैं 3% आपसे कमाया सिर्फ, जब आप 25% का रिटर्न कमाते हैं पूरे साल में। सो सब्सक्रिप्शन मॉडल, that happens when I take upfront charge from you when you invest. So whatever AUM you invest with me, I charge 2% of that AUM and the brokerage for executions. In profit sharing model, I will charge 20% over and above a hurdle rate of 10%, incremental. Okay, and there will be no subscription charge in profit sharing model. So once you go to the app, you choose the product that you want to invest in, you choose the model, we do your risk profiling, and hence we ensure we don't sell a product which is not as per your risk profile. So if you are a conservative person as per our questionnaire, we will not suggest any aggressive portfolio to you. So that is already kept in mind. You can see this last screen, the order has been generated. Till the time you accept, I will not execute. So everything is only and only when you approve for me to invest. These are multiple ways. So आपके पास order execution आता कैसे? We send a notification on your mobile app. We send an SMS. We send an email. There is an automated call generated, and you can even approve it through the dealer or advisor. Either of these 5 manners, you can actually execute the orders being generated for you. And hence it is very convenient for our customers to invest. That's all from my side. I hope I have made some sense in what I've spoken about. I will just quickly summarize before we start taking Q&A. Is that Motilal Oswal is very proud to present first time in the industry very customized portfolio for our customers, which is every portfolio is very different for every customer. There are multiple themes through which you can invest in these portfolios. The investment size starts from 2.5 lakhs for lump sum and 10,000 rupees for SIP. There are 2 models for investment, which is subscription, where there is 2% subscription of your investment amount being charged, and the brokerage. And in profit sharing, there is no subscription being charged. There is brokerage and a profit sharing, which is beyond 10%. There are 5 portfolios through which you can invest. There is a fund tech portfolio, large cap, small cap, mid cap and small cap, and industry champs. Okay. I showed you the performance. We have beaten the benchmark every parameter. Last month, last 3 months, and since launch, my portfolios are doing better than the benchmark. So that's all from my side. I can have the questions now from all the people who have attended it.
So the first question is IAP similar to quantitative funds and mutual funds?
IAP is not similar to quantitative funds because there the investment horizon is only quantitative and the quantitative strategies are used for investment, whereas here the fundamental parameters are used to create portfolios, and technical, I told you, is to ensure that we don't enter into stocks which are technically bearish or don't stay in stocks which continue to be technically bearish.
So the next question is, who decides which stock to buy?
So as I told you, all the products are robo driven. Robo means there is a defined model at the back end which runs on the entire universe every second. So this model gives out multiple stocks basis the parameters that are set. The best stocks in that model as per suggestions are then picked. Fundamentally, the fund manager takes a call if required in the suggestions, and hence the investment happens.
Okay, so the next question is, how is it different from your other advice on stocks?
See, other advice on stocks that we offer to our customers is individual advice. So we might give you a stock buy in A, sell in B, whereas this is a portfolio based approach. So you give us money, for example, you give us 5 lakh rupees of investment, and then we manage that amount for you post your approval. That is how it is different. These are a portfolios that are individual calls.
Does IAP include algo trading by you?
No, IAP does not include algo trading by us. In fact, the exchanges, the regulators don't permit us to offer any kind of algo trading to our retail customers. These are portfolios which are created and investment happens only when our customers approve it.
So is there no management fee like other funds?
So we don't charge any management fees. I told you there are two models available. There is number one is the subscription where we charge you subscription fees for investment. Second is profit sharing where we charge you part of profit only and only once you made 10%. Beyond that, we charge 20% of the profit that you make. There is no other fees charged to this except for the brokerage for execution.
So is there any video available on IAP?
There are multiple information available on IAP. You can go to our website www.motilaloswal.com and you can read about them as well.
So profit sharing is 6 monthly and not annual. Is it right?
The profit sharing is being done quarterly, and hence because the hurdle rate is 10% for the entire annum, 2.5% becomes the hurdle rate per quarter. And please also note, thanks for asking this question, that the hurdle rate is higher watermarked. So एक बार आपने मान लीजिए 1 लाख रुपए एग्जांपल 10 लाख रुपए इन्वेस्ट किया और आपने उसका रिटर्न एक साल के बाद 1 लाख रुपए बनाया, नेक्स्ट ईयर के लिए मैं 11 लाख रुपए को बेस इन्वेस्टमेंट लूंगा, तो मैं सेम अमाउंट के रिटर्न पे कभी दोबारा प्रॉफिट चार्ज नहीं करता. हायर वाटरमार्किंग कॉन्सेप्ट यूज होता है.
So what is the minimum amount required to invest in IAP?
So the minimum amount starts from 2.5 lakhs for lump sum, and you can go upwards to any amount. And the minimum SIP starts from 10,000 rupees per month, and you can go upwards any amount.
Profit sharing model, what happens during loss?
Sorry, can you come again?
In profit sharing model, what happens during loss? What happens if someone makes a loss?
So you don't pay anything in case your portfolio has made a loss either in that quarter or that year. Okay, although our horizon and our perspective is very different since the last 19 months, we've not seen many of such cases happening. But in case there is a loss incurred on the portfolio, we will not charge anything to the customers except for the execution brokerage.
So someone wants you to show the subscription model slide again.
So this is the slide for subscription model. This is where you can choose the subscription model. This is where you can choose the profit sharing.
So do they get any notification when the stock is bought or sold in their account?
So every time we generate an advice, which is either sell from your portfolio or a buy in your portfolio, there is, I told you, notifications being generated. So there is a notification on mobile app, which you can click and approve. There is an SMS, which you can click and approve. There's an email. We also trigger an automated system-based call where you can press 1 and confirm, or you can even trade through your dealer and advisor.
Sir, are all stocks covered by MOSL research?
So we have a far wider universe here, which are covered by MOSL research.
Is Robo used in large cap and industry champ?
So we have statistical models available there, which I told you there are primarily fundamental based investment strategies, but we use statistical models to ensure that we get intimations from the model and then the fund manager can take the call.
So can they start an SIP of 10,000 without lump sum investment?
Yes, you can start a 10,000 SIP of 10,000 rupees without any lump sum investment.
Also, can the investment be done through monthly SIP of 25,000?
Yes, you can start a monthly SIP of 25,000 as well. Anything beyond 10,000 can be started.
Can a person have more than one IAP account for SIP?
You can have more than one IAP account. You can invest in all the products, have individual SIPs, individual lump sum. You can even have an SIP and lump sum in the same product as well.
Okay. How much returns do we get in 5 years approximately?
Sir, I can't guarantee you any returns and I can't even commit on any returns. I have shown you the returns the portfolio has been generating in the last 19 months. Although I'm sure more than me, everyone here knows how the markets have been. And in these market situations, also the portfolios haven't gone down much.
When is the profit sharing applied? On completing the sell or on holding as well?
The profit sharing is applied on defined calendar quarters. Okay, and in that defined calendar quarter is where we see if the profit sharing model has to be applied and is any sharing to be done. Otherwise, we will not charge any.
Okay. After investing 2.5 lakh rupees, monthly SIP of 10,000 is compulsory.
It's not compulsory. SIP model and lump sum models are completely not integrated. You can do a separate SIP and lump sum or vice versa.
Okay. There's a question. Since this portfolio is robo-operated, how will it be different for every client?
So I'll tell you the reason, and very good question. See, what happens is the robo runs every minute. So tick by tick, we ensure we capture all the parameters which are utilized to build the portfolio. And hence assume there is a client A who invests on 1st of January 2020. The stocks which are generated by robo might be different versus a guy who wants to invest on 1st of March in the same year. Okay. So depending on the time of investment, the stocks will change. So, and there might be a question in some people's mind saying that if the stocks will change for the March portfolio, they will also change for Jan. There might be a case that I picked up a stock in Jan for 100 rupees and a target of 130 rupees. The stock is at 115 and I still have 15 rupees of upside. And hence, I will continue to hold the Jan portfolio also and the March portfolio as well separately.
So they're asking, do they have to select a product out of 5 within IAP?
Yes, you will have to choose the product. We will also suggest, basis your risk profile, you can choose the one that we suggest or the one that you would like to invest in otherwise.
Will the shares be held in the investor's name or in the broker's name?
The shares will be held only and only in the investor's name. No broker will be allowed to hold any shares. You will be able to see these shares in your DP. You will be able to, once you cancel the product, do whatever you want with the products. We will leave it in your DP itself. We don't touch the share. There is no name of the broker in the shares at all.
Is there any option to swap between the products?
Sorry, I didn't get that.
Is there any option to swap between the products under IAP?
So there is no option available right now. You can sell one portfolio and you can switch to the other.
Any brokerage charges?
So the brokerage charges that we apply depend on the subscription model or the profit sharing model.
How is it different from the standard mutual fund? You've already mentioned that, but can you show the slide again?
Sure, I can show you the slide. I'll also run you through quickly. The 2-3 most important things which I wanted to tell you is, number one, these are customized portfolio for every client, which does not happen in mutual funds. Second, they are 100% controlled by the client. So client says whether I want to buy or not to buy, although I've shown you the consequences of approving all orders. The third is that the entry and exit is very swift because they are system managed and system throws out calls the moment it sees any anomaly in the trends.
Can anyone customize the scripts as per his or her choice?
You can customize the script, and the reason for that or the way of doing that is not approving an order if you don't want to invest in something. But as I told you during my presentation also, what we've noticed is people who approve all the orders, okay, see the returns to be far better than otherwise.
What is the minimum tenure of SIP?
There is no minimum tenure. You can start your SIP and continue it as long as possible.
Thank you so much, sir. These were the questions that we got. We've answered all of them.
Thank you so much. I hope you stay safe and you take care of yourself and that of your family. And I also hope we shall, as I told you in the beginning of the presentation, that we shall be out of the crisis that we are into, both financially and otherwise. All the best. God bless you. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.